fire. Good morning, adventurers. Boy, did we have quite the night the other night. Don't get too excited. It was scary and nothing good. And now the van has a lot of trouble. Before we get into all of that though, can I please ask you to take a minute and make sure that you're subscribed? And if you are, then go ahead and leave a comment as well. Comments will help shape this channel, so make sure that your voice is heard. Now back to our story. So we wake up to some strange noises in the middle of the night. It's about 3 a.m. I think. At first we thought someone was trying to get into the back doors, but it only took a couple of seconds for us to realize that in fact there was fire right beneath our heads. Fire! And so we had to quickly run out of the van, open the doors, get the fans going, clear the smoke, and once the smoke was clear and we could safely get back into the van, then Albert started looking in the electrical panel and trying to decide what happened.
See some of the soot from our electrical fire last night. Sounded like a blowtorch in the middle of the night. I opened this up and our inverter had caught fire and blew it, and we are without 110 power.
Lots of smoke and lots of soot to clean. We take everything out of the van, had to remove all the drawers in the galley. The smoke was like being funneled directly from the electrical compartment through the galley, so those drawers and everything in them were just covered. We were fortunate to get into a repair shop the next day, and they also checked everything out, and yes, it is just the inverter. So we are very grateful that that is the only problem. Now though, we are just stuck without 110 power and waiting for a new inverter. All that really means is that we just can't camp in that luxury bougie way that we really like to. Instead, we have to just, camp. So we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna have a fun day. We're gonna hang out in this area for the next couple of days until we hear back from the repair shop, hoping to see how long it'll take to get an inverter in. So fingers crossed it won't be too long. Our inverter issue has us staying here in the Mount Vernon, Bellingham area for a while. And lucky for us, the Skagit County Fair is going on. That's my ride right there. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh yeah.
No way. Upside down.
There's my ride.
Yes.
Excited.
Okay, what's next? Concert cheese.
Concert tea? Piece of strong tea? Sweet hat?
You want to go ride a pony?
I don't think I can handle a pony.
Later.
We're on camera. Don't say anything. Yeah, I'll take one of those.
Hot.
Right out of fryer. The corn dog was amazing, but because I have a never-ending hunger, we're going to try some Lumpia. I think I'm saying it right. Lumpia. Here we have it. Beef Lumpia. And they're hot lava. Going in. Uh-huh. Ouch.
We could just wait,
Who wants to do that? Well, that was a delicious snack to fuel us up for rides and games and whatever shenanigans we can get into. My money's on 7.
What? Little kids beat me. We've done all we can. We've eaten everything. We've played games. We've had way too much fun at the fair. It is time to head back to camp and cool off and find something else fun to do.
See you back.
Peanut butter bacon burgers. I love peanut butter.
Don't we all? With our inverter out, we have to resort to actual camping methods to heat our water.
This is Whatcom Park. There's a ton of bike and hiking and walking trails. It's so beautiful right in the middle of the city. Well, we have found a campground in Concrete, Washington, which is not very far from Mount Vernon, where the service center is. We're going to stay here for the weekend, and then hopefully we'll hear back from the service center, and from there be able to know how long parts will take and whatever is involved so that we can start making some plans. In the meantime, we have no 110 power, and so we have a lot of devices that need charged. And so we are in a campground where we can plug into their 110. This is where we're going to leave you for this episode. As always, we hope that you are doing well. Please remember to subscribe and keep those comments going. And we look forward to seeing you the next time. Bye. The Skagit, because the inverter blew up. Boy, did we have a wild night. Skagit